Hi, my name is Raka Gupta from Loadstar Sensors. I wanted to show you a demo here. This is an Arbor press that is used to apply forces on surfaces when you are pushing a button or a rivet or any other surface. What if you wanted to measure how much force is being applied? So we have a solution for you to measure the force that is being applied. As you can see, this is our load cell that is connected to the Arbor press. The load cell is actually connected to our USB digital interface, and this interface is connected to our touchscreen display that will show you exactly how much force you are applying. So when I press on the Arbor press, then you can see exactly how much force I am applying. You can also see the peak and low values of the force. You can view the force in pounds, grams, kilograms as well. If you wanted to view, log and plot the data on a computer, then you can use our LoadView Pro software installed on your computer. So that will show you exactly how much force you are applying, and you can also view the data, log the data, plot it. You can save the data as a CSV file also and use it to analyze the data as well. This is our LoadView Pro software. If this demo interests you, please do contact us at sales@loadstarsensors.com. Thank you.